Hey there cute ladies and gentlemen, my name is Griffith and today I'm going to teach you how to make skin color using water-based paints. So grab your brush and paper and let's get started. So before we go to the process itself, I'm going to list all the materials used in the video. I have used pencils and erasers, a palette and a round brush, and the color tubes red, yellow, blue, white and others. Fine liners from Ohu. Last but not the least, a 300 GSM A5 watercolor paper and a 160 GSM A5 sketchbook. And before we begin, I should tell you that you should always keep clean water besides you while painting. Now moving on to the color mixing, take red, blue and yellow. Now take the red paint and mix some water in it. Also make sure to check the mixed colors by applying them on a paper before your artwork. Moving on now, mix yellow and blue to make a brownish skin tone. If you think it's getting muddy or cool, then add yellow and red until you have a vibrant brown skin tone. Congrats if you succeeded in that. Now I'll color an original character of mine to show you all how you can replicate it to match your desired look. Here, look in my OC, I needed her skin to be more pinkish, so I added more red to the skin tone we made earlier. And as you can see, it worked out greatly. Another thing to keep in mind is that using white paint makes the colors milky, so if your goal is milky looks, you can use white, and if no, then you should just add more water to lighten up the colors. Anyways, now let's focus on the tutorial. So for the shadows of the skin, you can use a variety of colors to get the results, like purple, pink, red, blue and black, etc. The easiest being adding brown to your skin tone. In my case, I just added a little burnt sienna in the basic skin color we made earlier. Here's a time lapse of the coloring process if you are interested in it.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Anyways, it won't be fun if I just show only one example, so here's another. So for this one, as you can see, I started out by mixing water and red paint and then slowly added yellow to get the desired skin color. As for the shadows, I just added more red and yellow in the skin color I made earlier. Another tip I have for you is that you should paint the details like the skin scars after you are done with the shadows. As for how I made the color for the scars, I just added more red in the lighter skin tone.
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
If you have watched this far, then make sure to subscribe my channel and like the video. And if you want more updates, then you can follow me on Instagram. Stay creative and make lots of artworks using the tips I just gave you.